Meet the new ES800 Drone, a next-generation quadcopter designed to make aerial photography safer, smarter, and more stable than ever before. With a fully enclosed protective shell, this drone offers 360 degrees all-around protection, keeping both your surroundings and your equipment safe from impact or debris. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the ES800 ensures every flight is worry-free. Equipped with a 4.3-inch FPV screen controller and dual 8K HD cameras, the ES800 delivers crystal-clear footage with dynamic shooting options. The electrically adjustable front camera lets you change angles mid-flight, while optical flow hovering locks your drone in place for perfectly stable shots every time. Powerful brushless motors provide smoother flight and longer life, and with 50x zoom and 360-degree stunt rolls, your aerial creativity is limitless. With up to 10 minutes of flight time, 3 speed modes, and headless control, this compact 17.7 by 15.4 centimeter drone is built for both beginners and seasoned pilots who demand precision and protection. The ES800's intelligent design not only enhances your control, but also extends the life of the drone, combining safety, performance, and innovation into one powerful flying machine. Experience the difference with the ES800 Drone, where professional performance meets total protection. Don't just fly, fly smart.